hi Sashika ji, welcome back. And for those who are new here, hi, my name is Purnima and welcome to my channel where we talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. As we all know that monsoon is just around the corner and it's a season of fun and joy, but humidity plays a spoil sport here. So we have to take care of our skin, beauty and makeup as well. So this video is going to be monsoon makeup hacks and I'm sure this is going to help you guys in some way or the other. But yeah, before we start on with today's video, let me just remind you, if you guys like watching my content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So let's begin. The first and foremost thing that is to be taken care is facial mist, guys. Make sure this facial tonic mist are your best friends during this season. So the one I have here is from Forest Essential, guys. This is a beautiful facial tonic mist. This is Punch Push and this has got such a beautiful fragrance of 5 flowers, and this is purely chemical free and paraben free. This is beautiful in each and every way. So all you have to do is just apply, hold it on certain distance and apply it all over your face and you'll feel refreshed, and it gives a subtle fragrance. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful, you must give it a try for sure. I'll leave all the links in the description box down below. Please do check it out, guys. So the key point here is you have to make your toners and facial mist your best friends during this monsoon season. The second point that I'm going to talk about is makeup mantra. Yes guys, you heard me right. You have to you have to create your smear base, so to say, by using a primer. Primer is a must have, guys, during this monsoon season, and you have to create a smooth base. You please remember that, otherwise your makeup will go haywire. So the one I have here is this beautiful primer. This is a radiance primer, guys. This is from Manhattan. I'm not sure whether this is available in India or not, but you can certainly use any sort of primer like of your choice, whatever you like. But please do use primer before you put in any foundation, or in fact I would suggest not to go for heavy foundations. In fact, you should always switch on to BB cream or CC cream, or for that matter tinted moisturizer will help, and that contains SPF as well. So the one I have here for you guys is this skin tint from Just Herbs. So you should ditch heavy foundations, guys. This is just not a good idea to apply on during monsoon. So yeah, this is beautiful. You can definitely give it a try for sure. And one more thing I would like to add here is the simpler base you create. I mean, don't apply so many layers on your face during monsoon, as it's going to be look very uh, I would say it's going to look very artificial. Plus this season is not meant to apply just layers and layers of makeup. You should not go for contour or highlighter. This is all not required, guys. So just stay with tinted moisturizers or BB or CC cream for that matter. The next point I would like to talk about is tints, guys, cheek tints, and so to say blush. So I would recommend you guys to use cream blush, and then if required you can always layer it up with a powder brush. So always try to use cream blush, guys, during monsoon season. It's it gives a certain glow onto your skin and it's beautiful. I always tell you guys to try this beautiful lip and cheek tint from Just Herbs, and this is such a beautiful Ayurvedic product, guys, and it easily gets absorbed and gives you a subtle glow onto your skin. So you must give it a try, and if required you can layer it up with a powder blush. This is from Benefit, guys. This is such a beautiful blush, and just take a blush brush and then tap off excess, and just you can layer it up with powder blush, and you'll look very rosy and glowy. Yeah, moving on. So the fourth tip I have for you guys is, you please do not use liquid lip gloss, guys, during this season, as it's going to get very very sticky, and it's going to smudge for sure. So instead you can use such matte lipsticks. The one I have here is from Maybelline, and this is Super Stay matte lipstick, and this doesn't smudge, guys, and this stays on for good amount of 12 to 16 hours. I mean, you should definitely give it a try during monsoon season for sure. Please avoid using gloss. Do not go for bullet lipsticks, I would say. Instead you can try such matte lipsticks, and this will definitely going to help. So the next point I would like to tell you guys is, don't go for using this powdery eyeshadows and all. This is just not required during monsoons. Instead, you can choose vibrant colors. The one I'm applying here is dark blue color. This is from Sultry, guys. So you can always line your eyes with colored vibrant colors like so, and aqua colors like green are in trend during monsoon, so you should definitely give it a try. I mean, you can use it as a liner, you can use it as a kajal, but do not go for powder eyeshadows. That is just not required, and that is not going to help you guys. And also I would like to add here is, you should always keep the colors in contrast to your skin tone. So please take care of your skin tone, and go for vibrant colors that suits your skin tone. So you should be careful in choosing. So the last and the final point I would like to add here is, do not forget to use sunscreen, guys. Even if it's cloudy outside, but 80% of UV rays that pass through the clouds, and it can certainly harm your skin. So you should always use waterproof sunscreen, like so. It's a beautiful sunscreen. It's from Lakme, guys, but you can use any sunscreen of your choice, but it should contain minimum SPF 30, that is for sure. So you have to take care of your skin, guys, and please never forget to use sunscreen, that is for sure. This is very very important part. And yeah, these were all the tips that I wanted to share with you guys for this monsoon season. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope you guys liked my tips and tricks. So do mention in the comment section which one you liked the most. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you.